Hey everyone, welcome to this beautiful autumn park.
It's so lovely out here.
Let's go for a stroll.
Yes, let's go.
Hey everyone, look at this beautiful autumn park.
It's so lovely out here.
Yeah, the leaves are amazing. Friends, we are now at Tara Langso Garden, the venue of the Karbi Youth Festival. This place is really very beautiful.
गिटार ताली अब बजेगा तू?
हाँ दे दे, सुन एक नया गाना है. गिटार बजा रहे हैं.
हाँ बजाती हूँ.
वाह सुनाओ.
गिटार बजा रहे हैं बिजय क्रॉन्जांग के लिए. इतुम अफन मधु तनांग पचेका कोने.
Ne Bijoy Kronzang ka girlfriend lo Ito mafan mo tanang pacheco ne No ne voy a perte que vanke Ne Bijoy Kronzang ka fan si dolong vek nangji Ate ne Bijoy fan mening topikan Lasinaw tong chininon Bijoy le se le to pusitame Bijoy le se dengo pusitame Kaya fan ne dolong vek nangji
Now we are about to leave Tara Langso and you can see her walking behind me. Friends, she's my girlfriend. Please let me know in the comments how she looks.